Democracy success is anchored on checks and balances for all branches of government, which is something the lower house leaders aim to defend and exercise to the fullest, especially against critics who try to stain the reputation of lawmakers but seemingly do not want to undergo necessary government practices that promote accountability and proper use of taxpayers' money. Mela Lesmoras has the full report.
As the House of Representatives commenced its plenary deliberations on the proposed 2025 national budget, House Speaker Martin Romualdez delivered a stern warning to public officials that Congress will not tolerate hypocrisy, evasion, or the misuse of public funds. In his speech, Speaker Romualdez firmly stated the House would take a zero-tolerance approach toward those who undermine accountability while conveniently ignoring their own malfeasance. He did not mention who he had in mind specifically, but recently, Vice President Sara Duterte had accused Romualdez and Appropriations Committee Chair Elizalde Co of manipulating the national budget, which Co had already dismissed.
We cannot ignore the reality that there are those who seek to undermine our work. Critics who speak of accountability while conveniently ignoring their own misuse of public funds. Hindi maaaring magturo ng daliri ang mga may sariling kasalanan. Sa harap ng Kongreso, lahat ay dadaan sa tamang proseso at walang makakatakas sa pananagutan.
Speaker Romualdez emphasized the House has long upheld the principles of transparency and accountability, ensuring that every government expenditure is scrutinized with precision and aligned with national priorities. He reinforced that public funds must be used solely for the benefit of the people, not for personal enrichment.
This House favors no one. We do not bend to pressure or special interests. Instead, we remain vigilant in upholding the principles of good governance and fiscal responsibility. Walang makakalusot sa ating pagsusuri. Tayo ang boses at mata ng taong bayan at sa kanilang pangalan tayo ang magbabantay laban sa pag-abuso at korupsyon.
Among the first topics which the lawmakers discussed in the plenary were the general principles and provisions of the proposed national budget, as well as the budget proposal of the Department of Justice and the Judiciary. DOJ Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla personally attended the deliberations. According to Appropriations Committee Chair Elizalde Co, the public can be assured the proposed budget the House will pass addresses the needs of the Filipino people and contributes to the nation's further development. Key focus areas in the budget include human and social development, job creation, and improving the country's infrastructure and governance in the bureaucracy. He added the budget proposal also responds to President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s agenda for prosperity.
Walang pera ang maaaring gastusin mula sa kaban ng bayan ng labag sa batas. Kaya't mahalaga ang pagpasa ng General Appropriations Bill. Pinopondohan ito ang mga pampublikong programa at proyekto. Tinitiyak ang epektibong paghahatid ng mahalagang serbisyo at itinataguyod ang pag-unlad ng pambansang ekonomiya at lipunan.
For her part, Appropriations Senior Vice Chair Stella Kimbo also emphasized the national budget is not just a collection of numbers, but a comprehensive plan to solve the daily problems of the Filipino people.
I stand before you today not just as a public servant, but as a fellow Filipino, fully aware of the daily challenges our people face. The high cost of basic needs, especially rice and electricity charges, to unforeseen events such as illness, death, and job loss. The funds entrusted by Congress are not just figures in a ledger. They are meant to uplift lives and create real, lasting improvements for every Filipino. Kaya't malaga na busisihin ang bawat piso sa budget.
The House of Representatives aims to approve the proposed 6.352 trillion pesos 2025 national budget on third and final reading by September 25. Mela Lesmoras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.